National Weather Service in Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Portage County in northeastern Ohio, Stark County in northeastern Ohio, Summit County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, until 10:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:54 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles southeast of West Salem to near Shreve to near Glenmont, moving east at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage.